God, he's got a real pigeon. Oh, hello.
Let me touch
Hi.
him. He's alright. You can play with
They
him.
say that.
I'm gonna let him go. Touch him. He's not gonna
How
do
come
you
he's
nothing.
like that? You
I've
holding his
never
little
seen
feet.
that. No, he's been friend. He just came
He
to
must
me.
live nearby.
I wonder if he got away from somebody.
Yeah,
I'm
he's
gonna
come
let
to
him go
say
in the
hi.
wild.
Hello. Oh, he's safe. He likes it. I think he goes to people's houses.
I wonder if he got away from somebody. Had him as a pet.
What's his name? What do you want to call him? Your
I'm
new
gonna
pet.
let him go to the wild.
Oh, you're setting him back. Well, it looks like he come to give you a message.
Yeah, good luck for my surgery next week.
Oh, please.
I think his mama.
Oh, I feel that he's divine intervention for him to come knocking, and then you catch him, and he's so calm. Oh, so sweet. Oh, what are you gonna say to?
Video.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna put him down up there and let him do what he wants to do.
Oh,
I'm not even gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, Poppy. Let me go now.
let me get him at the
Let
front
me
with
be
the sun on
free.
him. Let me see you from this angle. Oh, look so cute. Look, Taya's coming. Taya, you want to say bye?
Okay. Freedom.
Oh, look, he
Yeah,
doesn't
I'm
even want to
leaving. He doesn't
go.
even want to go.
He's so pretty. Yeah, he wanted to do a poop. But God, he didn't come inside and do it.
He doesn't even want to go. He's looking like he doesn't know his surroundings. Okay, Poppy. No, he just doesn't want to be around me. Leave him be. He'll find his way to where we want to go.
Strange.
He's a nice one.
He is.
Why did you joke something like that? You really look at the box.
Because I know, like, I always tell you about I cooked camel, but I know I got you a while ago because you thought I really brought food from work. That's why you looked in the box.
Yeah, but people. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I know I finally got you. I got you. That's what I did. Alright, Chase, leave him be. He know what to do. He'll work his way out.
Bye bye. Are you posing? Are you posing? Yes. He's posing. No.
He moves like he's a pet.
Yeah.
Like